So maybe, right about now, you're planning how to reopen your office safely, how to protect your workers on the factory floor, your students in the classroom, your hospital staff. And you need to move fast, but not too fast. Make decisions now that will hold up later, and lay the foundation for what comes next. That's where Cisco Hybrid Work comes in. We help you create an environment of security and wellness, an environment your employees can trust, by using technology you already have to monitor and enforce the safe utilization of all those spaces where your workers, your students, your staff interact. And at the same time, we help you reimagine and redesign for the new kind of workplace that the future demands. A workplace that's digitized for self-monitoring and optimization, that tests the air, regulates lighting, tells you how its spaces are being used, and inspires your people to new ways of working and learning and collaborating. Safety today, as you create the workplace of tomorrow. Cisco Hybrid Work.